Hello, everyone. My name is Jake, and I really appreciate you taking the time to hear my informative speech about how you can improve in uh, learning in school and work. Uh, to open it up, I wanted to bring up that with in-person instruction, whether that's in school or at work, it's been our long-time default and the best way to engage learners and help them grow. But with recent advances in technology, what if there's a way to supplement that traditional model and make learning even more personalized, effective, and inclusive? Have you ever wished that like for a certain assignment, like or a reading assignment where you're trying to go through a chapter but you might not understand certain concepts that you had someone over your shoulder that you can ask questions to on things that you might have a gap in knowledge of? I think that's where AI comes in as that revolutionary tech that can help us learn, teach, and train. Whether you're a student or future employee, AI is reshaping your learning journey and everyone else's throughout the world right now. Our main point is with main personalized content, instant feedback, and inclusive tools, AI is revolutionizing education and training. The first point, AI tailors learning like a custom fit boot. AI will adapt to individual learning styles and paces, whether you're using it in things like Copilot with prompting or specific educational tools and apps. Some example tools are from mentioned in like the University of San Diego is Dreambox Learning and Start Sparrow that personalized instruction based on student performance. These platforms are very helpful for students and instructors in real time to meet learners' needs. It's just similar to a running shoe that is customized just for you with width and length and comfort so that you can perform the best in things like running, hiking, or any other kind of physical activity. Instant feedback Um, and then also equates to faster growth, which AI can provide real-time corrections and suggestions. One example tool that was brought up by the University of San Diego is like Gradescope, which automates grading and gives instant feedback. This helps students learn faster and frees up teachers' time. That means that teachers can focus on more important things that build students that a human quality will only be able to fill in, whereas AI could be a supplement to help these students learn faster from any mistakes they make from these certain assignments. And that doesn't just mean from grading, it can also mean getting feedback on understanding certain topics, just like how I was bringing up how it could be a tailored experience in my first point. Um, the third point is that accessibility and inclusion is boosted by AI. AI supports all types of learners with disabilities or language barriers, which makes learning very effective for any types of people. Example tools would be like Noda that transcribes speech for learning impaired students, or then you have AI that's built in with text to speech or visual recognition tools, as the University of San Diego mentioned. Uh, these make it where everyone can grow at a pretty consistent pace. And just to bring all these points together, this is kind of something how as I personally used AI to help me learn. When I'm trying to learn a new programming language like Java, one of very well-known object-oriented languages used by a lot of developers. I was trying to understand things like branches, which are if-else statements, like logical statements that you use to program to make certain outputs based on inputs. And when I was talking with Copilot about giving me some analogies to understand how it worked, it was bringing up things like it knew that like the hike. So it brought up like how um it an example of me hiking a Pima Canyon, and there were spots where I could rest, and there were spots that I couldn't rest, and there were spots where I needed to rest. So it made an example of like if-else statements based on if places that I should rest. Places that I'm not able to rest, but I need to rest. Or if else, it will tell me to keep walking. So things like bringing up passions like hiking and making a specific analogy to help you learn has proven very helpful for me to learn certain like complex concepts. So to recap it all together, AI offers tailored learning, instant feedback, and inclusive access. And my call to action to every one of you listening right now is try to use AI today or this week, if you haven't already, uh, for supplementing any studying and organizing of your thoughts while trying to go through any coursework so that you can make your learning experience as effective as possible with this very helpful supplement. In a world full of tech, but just short on time, AI might just be your smartest study buddy, or basically the one student in your class that is the smartest and can always give you the right feedback, or the teacher that's always there for you and can give you the right feedback on things that you feel stuck on with certain concepts. You still have those benefits of in person, but with a supplement like AI, we can all do better.